Welcome to Cool Python Codes tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use lambda with filter or lambda with mapping. Yes, you can combine them to write good programs and make your work easier and work smarter, not writing more lines of code or making your code shorter. So this on the screen you can see data, a variable named data which has some numbers 4, 9, 16 and so on to 100. So I want to write a program that will return the square root of all the numbers in our list data. So remember, to do this you have to use mapping. Yes, mapping. Remember, mapping takes a function and applies that function to each element in your list. So before we work on this, since we want to compute the square root, we import the modulo math. Yes, so after importing the modulo math, let's say since we want to find the square root, let's write a variable square root, square root, square underscore root. Remember, mapping works with sequence, so we create a list to store all the square roots of the numbers in data. So we open our parentheses, so we say map, open your parentheses now again. So we write a simple function with lambda to compute square root of a number. Remember, your mapping gets or accepts two arguments. One, the first one is the function. Two, the second one is your sequence. So let us write a function with lambda. Remember, lambda takes in your two arguments. It accepts one or more arguments, but for now we're using only one argument, x, then followed by a colon, and your expression. Our expression will be math dot sqrt to compute the square root of the number which is represented as x. So we put x here. So we have done. So we put our comma sign. So when putting your command sign, you include your data, your sequence. So mapping takes two arguments, your function and your sequence. So we have written our function down, which is lambda x colon math dot sqrt, and takes in the number you want to find the square root, which is represented as x. So now we have to put in our next argument, which is a sequence known as data. So we close all our parentheses. Make sure you close all your parentheses to avoid error. So let us print our new list, which is square root. Print square root. Let us run our program. Voila! So our program have printed the square root of each number in our original list, which is data. So you can see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, so we have learned how to use lamba with mapping. So let us know how we can use lamba with filter. So what we do, let's exit this, press your back button, and let us wipe our screen. We remove this. So I've wiped out the unnecessary things I don't need. So we're left with data, a variable that has a string of a list of numbers. So what do we want to do? We want to return numbers which are even, but we use our lambda with filter. Yes, I want to show you how you can use lambda with filter. So we create a new variable that will store a list of even numbers out of our data. So let's say even. So remember what in filter we deal with sequence, so we write list and also include filter, a parenthesis. Remember your filter accepts two arguments. The first one is your function, and the next one is your sequence. So write a simple function. Let us write a simple function with our lambda to complete the square root. To compute even numbers, to return even numbers. So we start with x. Let our number be x. Then we say colon. Remember to calculate the even number. To calculate if a number is even, you divide that number by 2, and if it's equal to 0, that number is even. So we say num. We use this operator to do that for us. Divided by 2. Then in Python, to say something is equals to, use your equal sign twice. So let's say 0. So remember, your lambda takes in your argument, which can be more than one argument, and your expression. So we say comma. So it's time for us to include our sequence. Remember, your filter collects only two arguments, your function and your sequence. We have included our function using lambda. So now our sequence will be list. So we close our parentheses. So let us print our new list. Even. So let us run our program. Oops, there's an error. Let us go and find what the error is, what happened. Oh, sorry, the error is from here. We are supposed to use x. So let us run it. I'm sure you've run it now. You don't have any error. Wow, so we have filtered out even numbers from our original list and discarded numbers that are not even. We used our lambda and filter. So today you have learned how to use your lambda with filter and lambda with map. Wow, that's very incredible. Make sure you go to coolpythoncodes.com to learn more about Python, and also make sure you subscribe to get more tutorials delivered to your email. Yes, to your email. Make sure you comment on this video, also like and share. It will do me a lot. Yes. See you there and have a nice day.